Outstanding design defines the 2013 Mazda CX-5. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, fully automatic headlights, blind spot sensor, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 speakers enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.